Matt with Mikey Designs here, creator of ActionSeps. One of the problems that I see people running into are their separations being inversed. And let me quickly demonstrate that issue. So we have our image, we make sure that it is in RGB mode, that we only have one layer, that's layer 0. If it's going on a color shirt, just make sure it's on a transparent background. And last but not least, just make sure that you don't have any channels in there that are labeled Alpha Channel 1. Now let's go ahead and replicate the problem that some of my students are running into. So let's go ahead and we'll hit Start ActionSeps. So it's all finished, and as you can see here, a lot of these colors are just inversed, which is no bueno because you can't really do anything with that, right? So let's go back up to File. We'll hit revert. Once again, we'll make sure we're doing all of our checks. We got layer 0. We have no other alpha channels. Under image and mode, we're in RGB mode, which is fantastic. So what is happening here is if you go to select and color range, chances are you have right here this little option checked where it says invert. Deselect that, hit OK. Whatever selection you just pulled up, you can hit Command D or Control D if you're on a PC, get rid of that. So now that we have that invert unchecked, let's go ahead and we'll hit Start ActionSeps. And as you can see, we are no longer having that issue. It went through all of our separations absolutely fine, and we can move on with separating our images. I hope this was helpful. As always, you can email me support@actionseps.com and I'll be happy to help.